Imagine a land so vast and so cold that it almost seems like another planet. This is Antarctica, the continent at the very bottom of our world. It is a place of breathtaking beauty and extreme conditions, covered almost entirely by a thick sheet of ice. This ice holds around 70% of all the fresh water on Earth. For centuries, this frozen world remained a mystery, a blank space on our maps. Its sheer size and unforgiving climate made it incredibly difficult for humans to explore. The winds can be fierce, and the temperatures can drop to levels that are hard to even imagine, making it the coldest, driest, and highest continent on Earth. The mystery of Antarctica is not just in its vastness, but also in what lies beneath the ice. Hidden from our view are entire mountain ranges and massive lakes, locked away for millions of years. This great white continent is a land of secrets, a place where nature's power is on full display. Early explorers faced incredible hardships just to reach its shores, let alone venture inland. They traveled by ship and on foot, battling the elements every step of the way. Their stories are ones of courage and survival, painting a picture of a land that guards its secrets fiercely. It is a place that challenges us to understand our planet in a deeper way. Even today, with all our modern technology, Antarctica remains one of the most remote and least understood places on Earth. It is a continent dedicated to peace and science, a natural laboratory where researchers from around the world come to study our planet's climate, its history, and the unique life forms that have adapted to survive here. The air is so pure and the landscape so untouched that it provides a unique window into the past. Every ice core drilled here tells a story of Earth's climate stretching back hundreds of thousands of years, a history book written in frozen water and trapped air bubbles. The continent is so large that it is hard to comprehend its scale. It is bigger than Europe and almost twice the size of Australia. In winter, the sea ice around it expands, effectively doubling its size. This immense, pulsing heart of ice has a profound effect on the world's weather patterns and ocean currents. What happens in Antarctica does not stay in Antarctica. It influences the climate of the entire globe. Understanding this connection is one of the most important scientific quests of our time. It is a journey of discovery that continues to this day, revealing the wonders of this magnificent and mysterious southern land. Exploring such a vast and treacherous landscape has always been a significant challenge. For scientists and filmmakers, getting close to the hidden wonders of Antarctica without putting themselves in danger or disturbing the fragile environment is a constant puzzle. Traditional methods, like helicopters or trekking on foot, have their limits. They can be expensive, noisy, and sometimes risky. This is where a new kind of explorer comes in, the drone. These small, unmanned aerial vehicles are changing the way we see and study this frozen continent. They are our eyes in the sky, venturing where it is too difficult or dangerous for people to go. Drones are remarkably versatile tools. They can be equipped with high-definition cameras to capture stunning images and videos, giving us a perspective that was once impossible to achieve. Imagine soaring like a bird over jagged mountain peaks or hovering silently above a vast, cracked ice field. These devices can fly low over the terrain, revealing intricate details that would be missed from a high-flying airplane. Scientists can also fit them with special sensors to gather important data. They can measure the thickness of the ice, map the contours of the land beneath it, and even monitor changes in the environment with incredible precision over time. One of the greatest advantages of using drones is their ability to be quiet and unobtrusive. In a place where wildlife is sensitive to human presence, this is incredibly important. A noisy helicopter can cause great stress to a colony of penguins or a group of resting seals. A drone, however, can fly at a safe distance, observing animals in their natural habitat without causing alarm. This allows researchers to study their behavior more authentically, learning how they hunt, breed, and raise their young. It is a gentle way of exploring, one that respects the inhabitants of this unique ecosystem. Furthermore, drones provide a level of safety that is invaluable in such an extreme environment. Antarctica is riddled with hidden dangers, such as deep crevasses concealed by a thin layer of snow. Sending a drone to scout an area first can save lives. It allows research teams to plan their routes safely and identify potential hazards before they venture out. This technology has opened up new possibilities for exploration, allowing us to map previously uncharted territories and gain a much deeper understanding of the continent's dynamic and ever-changing landscape. Drones are truly revolutionizing our Antarctic adventures. From the vantage point of a drone, the Antarctic landscape unfolds in a breathtaking tapestry of shapes and colors. It is far from being a monotonous white desert. The view from above reveals a world of extraordinary beauty and immense scale. Towering mountains, known as nunataks, pierce through the ice sheet like islands in a frozen sea. Their dark, rocky peaks stand in stark contrast to the endless white plains that surround them. These are some of the most remote mountains on Earth, their jagged ridges and sheer cliffs carved by wind and ice over millennia, creating a truly spectacular sight. The ice itself is a canvas of incredible textures and shades. From high in the air, you can see vast, sweeping glaciers like frozen rivers flowing slowly towards the sea. These glaciers are not smooth, they are creased and wrinkled, showing the immense pressure and movement within them. And then, there are the colors. The ice can appear in a stunning array of blues, from a pale sky blue in the surface snow to a deep sapphire blue in the dense, compressed ice of a crevasse or an iceberg. These brilliant blue hues are created by the ice absorbing all other colors of the light spectrum, a magical effect of pure, ancient ice. One of the most dramatic features seen from a drone's perspective are the crevasses. These are deep cracks in the ice, formed as glaciers move over uneven terrain. From the ground they can be hidden and deadly, but from the air, they are mesmerizing. They appear as intricate, branching patterns, like lightning bolts frozen across the landscape. Looking down into a crevasse reveals layers of ice, each telling a story of a different season's snowfall. The sheer depth and the intense blue color within these cracks are a powerful reminder of the raw, untamed nature of this continent, a beautiful yet formidable feature. Beyond the ice sheets and mountains, the drone can fly over the coastline, where the land meets the sea. Here, massive ice shelves stretch out over the ocean, ending in towering cliffs of ice. Sometimes, huge pieces break off in a process called calving, creating enormous icebergs that float away into the Southern Ocean. The patterns of the sea ice are also fascinating from above. In winter, the ocean freezes into a mosaic of shapes, a constantly shifting puzzle of white and gray. This aerial journey reveals Antarctica not as a static, empty land, but as a dynamic and vibrant world in constant motion. Despite its harsh conditions, Antarctica is teeming with life, especially along its coastlines. A drone's quiet approach offers a unique opportunity to observe its remarkable wildlife. Flying high above a rocky shore, you might see a bustling colony of penguins. From the air, the colony looks like a sprawling city of black and white figures. You can see them waddling in long lines to the sea, tobogganing on their bellies across the snow, or carefully tending to their fluffy chicks. Observing them from a distance ensures that their daily life, their feeding, their squabbles, and their parenting, continues undisturbed, providing pure, natural insight. The seas around Antarctica are rich with nutrients, supporting a diverse marine ecosystem. Along the beaches and on floating ice floes, you can spot different species of seals. There are the large and lumbering Weddell seals, often found resting peacefully near cracks in the ice, and the formidable leopard seals, powerful hunters of the Southern Ocean. A drone can capture incredible footage of these animals without making them feel threatened. This allows scientists to count their populations, study their health, and understand their role in the food web, all crucial information for conservation efforts in the region. Amidst this natural wilderness, there are small pockets of human presence, the scientific research stations. From the air, these bases look like tiny, colorful outposts in a vast expanse of white. They are collections of buildings designed to withstand the extreme weather, often brightly colored to be visible in a blizzard. Here, scientists from all over the world live and work, conducting vital research. They study everything from the secrets of the universe, observed through the clear, unpolluted skies, to the microscopic life that survives in the ice. These bases are beacons of human curiosity and international cooperation. Protecting this pristine continent is one of our most important global responsibilities. The research conducted here is essential for understanding climate change and its impact on our planet. The observations of melting glaciers and changing wildlife populations are stark reminders of how fragile this ecosystem is. Antarctica is a treasure for all of humanity, a place of peace, science, and unparalleled natural beauty. By using tools like drones to study it responsibly, we can deepen our understanding and strengthen our resolve to preserve its wonders for all the generations that will follow us.